Ms. Howerton, I received your question and I went and copied this problem here. It's the first problem that you missed in the homework. The others will be similar. I'll talk about this one, and then if you're still having problems, let me know and I can work another one. It says use the compound interest formula to compute the total amount accumulated and interest earned. If so I guess you got $4,500. The amount for 3 years at 3.6% compounded monthly. And so I guess first thing I'll do is write up here the compound interest formula. Let's see, what is it? A equals P times quantity 1 plus R over N to the NT power. And so I guess A is the final amount, and that's what they want up here. P is the principal, which is the 4,500. The rate, I guess, is 3.6%. N is how many times it's compounded per year. And since it's monthly, N will be 12, and it's for 3 years, so T is 3. And so if I write that down here, A will be equal to P times the quantity 1 plus the rate, which is 3.6%, which I've got to convert to a decimal, and it's monthly, and so it'd be 12 times 3 years here. So again, let me go over the numbers with you. Oops, I didn't put the 4,500 there. That should have been 4,500. Okay, so the principal is 4,500. The rate is 3.6%, which you change to decimal, which would be 0.036, which comes up here. The time is 3 years, and it's monthly, and that's where the 12 comes from. N is 12. Now it's matter of using your calculator. That's probably where you're having trouble at. So it's 4,500. I can probably do this part in my head. Be 1 point. Let's see, 12 goes into 36 3 times, so it'll be 1.003, I believe. And then 12 times 3 is 36. Now, I have to confess, I don't have a calculator. I'm not at the house. I don't have a calculator with me, but I'll talk to you about how to put this in the calculator, and I'm guessing that's where your problem's coming in. So, how do you put this in a calculator? Well, you probably need a scientific calculator for one thing. And you may have if you have a more expensive one, you may have a caret key, or you may have a Y to the X button. A caret key on a calculator looks like that, or you may have an X to the Y button, or you may have a Y to the X button. And typically the way you punch this into a lot of calculators is that you hit 1.003, and if you have the caret button, you'd hit it, or the X to Y button, then you hit 36, and then like equal or enter. And so if you hit those keystrokes, that'll multiply this number 36 times. And then you multiply that answer times 4,500, and I guess if you do that, you should get the answer up here. And you round in there's penny, you should get what, $5,012.40 up here. I hope this helps. Still confused, let me know here. I can try another one. I don't have a calculator to actually punch it in here. I'm away from home at this time.